ito ni Cristina Ponce Enrile, may bahay ni Senador Juan Ponce Enrile na ang matagal ng relasyon ng kanyang asawang si Senator Juan Ponce Enrile at dating Chief of Staff niyang si Attorney Gigi Reyes. Pero hindi naniniwala si Ms. Enrile na sangkot ang senador sa pork barrel scam. May live report, narito report ni Micaela Papa, exclusive.
Mariing itinanggi noon ni Senador Juan Ponce Enrile ang mga bali-balitang may relasyon sila ng kanyang dating Chief of Staff na si Attorney Gigi Reyes.
If they're implying that she's my girlfriend, well, I'm too old for that.
Una, dami yung mga ano-anong ginagawa dyan eh. You don't look old at all. But the point...
I do not look at old at all, but from my waist up, I am still... functioning very well. But from my waist down, well, I do not know about that. Maybe once in a blue moon, if ever.
Pero sa eksklusibong panayam sa programang Bawal ang Pasaway kay Maring Winnie sa GMA News TV kagabi, mismong si Cristina Ponce Enrile ang umaming muntik na niyang hiwalayan ang asawa dahil umano kay Reyes.
This so-called affair between him and Gigi, they say that it was that affair which caused you to leave for the States.
Yes.
Is that true?
Yes.
It is true.
It is
What was your purpose for leaving for the States?
Because I wanted to get a divorce.
Sabi pa ni Cristina, sa lahat ng ibang babaeng naugnay sa kanyang asawa, si Reyes daw ang pinakamatagal.
Why did you want to get a divorce after Gigi? Why not after all these other women who you...
Because I had heard that she was already too long. Because he has had many girls before Gigi.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, many girls. But they don't last too long. Mm-hmm. And with Gigi, it lasted long.
Minsan na raw nagpang-abot sina Mrs. Enrile at si Reyes.
Have you met her?
Yes, only one time.
What happened?
I would rather not say it.
Did you?
No, it was not nice.
It was not nice.
No.
Did you meet her here or in the office?
No, in his house.
And you gave it to her?
Well, yes.
Yeah.
Ayon kay Cristina, hindi raw pumayag na makipaghiwalay sa kanya si Enrile. At ngayon, napatawad na raw niya ito.
Would you say that he was a devoted husband except that he had...
Yes. Yes.
And you forgave him for that?
Yes.
Do you forgive him wholeheartedly? I mean, in other
Yes.
words, wala na kayong iniisip na ngayon?
Yes.
Okay. That's
Yes.
pretty good. That's pretty good.
Kaugnay naman ang kontrobersyang kinasasangkutan na mister.
What do you think of the charge that he is the mastermind
I
of the
don't
10
believe in
billion
that.
pesos?
I don't believe in
Why
that.
not?
Because I don't think Johnny is that stupid.
Isa si Reyes sa mga sinampahan ng reklamong plunder kasama si Enrile. Kaugnay ng maanomalya umanong paggamit ng Priority Development Assistance Fund o PDAF. Umalis ng bansa si Reyes matapos magbitiw bilang Chief of Staff ni Enrile bago pa man maisampa ang reklamo. Sa sinumpaang salaysay ni Provisional State Witness Ruby Tuason, personal daw siyang naghatid ng pork barrel kickback kay Reyes. Pero di raw tiyak ni Tuason kung may basbas ni Enrile ang transaksyon nila ni Reyes. Ayon naman kay Enrile, minsan niyang nakaharap sa isang lunch meeting si Tuason pero ito raw ay dahil sa transaksyon sa ari-arian. Patuloy na sinisikap ng GMA News na makuha ang reaksyon ni Reyes at ni Enrile sa mga pahayag ni Cristina. Micaela Papa, GMA News.